Hello students, this is your geography class and today I am going to discuss unit 4, that is hydrosphere, and under this unit I am going to explain chapter number 15, that is topography of ocean floor. So before going through this chapter I will explain you about hydrosphere because it comes under this unit. So what is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere means the total water bodies of the earth. All these blue surface are the water bodies. It may comes under different forms like oceans, seas, rivers, lake, pond, streams, etc. यो संसारमा भएको टाकटुक ओशियन, सीज, रिभर, लेक, पन्ड्स, स्ट्रिम्स यो सबै वाटर बडिज मिलाएर यो सबैको टोटलिटीलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ हामीले हाइड्रोस्फियर. नाउ लेट्स सी दिस चार्ट. यो अर्थको 71.4% एरिया चाहिँ वाटर बडिजले कभर गरेको छ. यो ब्लू कलरको हेरौँ. अनि 28.6% चाहिँ ल्यान्डले कभर गरेको छ. भन्नु भने about 3/4 of the earth is covered by water bodies and only 1/4 of the earth is covered by land. अब यो water bodies पनि हेरौँ. There are 5 oceans and within these 5 oceans there are 3 major oceans. Number 1, the largest is Pacific Ocean, second Atlantic Ocean and third Indian Ocean. These 3 are the major oceans of the world. This Pacific Ocean, it covers nearly 50% of the earth. Nearly. Figure में हेरौँ भने 168.7 million square kilometer यसले एरिया कभर गरेको छ अर्थको. अनि एटलान्टिक ओशन को एरिया 85.1 million square kilometer. अनि इंडियन ओशन को एरिया छ 70.6 million square kilometer. Topography of ocean floor. It means the relief feature of ocean floor. Land surface को त हामीलाई relief features थाहै छ. यो mountain, plateau, plain यो त हामीले बाहिरबाट देखिहाल्छौं. तर यो ओशन भित्रको relief features, यसको relief features हामीले डाइरेक्ट बाहिरबाट देख्दैनौं किनभने because of sheet of water यसले छेलिएको हुन्छ. र यहाँ भित्रको relief feature चाहिँ कसरी चाल पाउने भन्दाखेरि there are different devices to know the relief features of ocean floor. Until 1920 सम्ममा चाहिँ के गर्थ्यो भन्दाखेरि एउटा शिपमा लामो एउटा चेन, कलमको चेनमा चाहिँ एउटा गरौँ कुरो झुन्डाएको हुन्थ्यो र यो रड चाहिँ कति गहिरोसम्म डुब्छ, यो पानीमा कति गहिरोसम्म डुब्छ, यो डुबेको भागको चाहिँ यो डिस्टेन्स चाहिँ नापेर चाहिँ के चाल पाउँथ्यो भन्दा यो ओशनको डेप्थ. र यसरी नाप्दै गएपछि यो ओशनको मुनिको रिलिफ फिचर्सको पत्तो लाग्थ्यो. बट आफ्टर फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार को पछि चाहिँ के गर्यो भन्दाखेरि यस्तै एउटा अर्को डिभाइसेस निक्ल्यो. त्यसलाई भन्छ साउन्ड इकोइङ डिभाइस. र यो शिपमा चाहिँ त्यो डिभाइस लगाएको हुन्थ्यो र यसले साउन्ड प्रोड्युस गर्थ्यो र यो भुइँमा रिलिफमा चाहिँ ठोकिएर डिफ्लेक्ट भएर यहाँ माथि आउनु कति टाइम लाग्छ, यो टाइम क्याल्कुलेट गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यसको डेप्थ चाल पाउँथ्यो, ओशनको डेप्थ. र यसरी नाप्दै गएपछि के चाल पाउँथ्यो, यो रिलिफ, यसको रिलिफ फिचर्स. र विथ द इन्भेन्सन अफ कम्प्युटर, अहिले त कम्प्युटराइज भिडियो क्यामेराहरू आयो र त्यसको माध्यमद्वाराले चाहिँ के चाल पाउँछ भन्दाखेरि अहिले चाहिँ ओशियन भित्रको फोटोग्राफहरू लिन सक्छौं र यसरी अहिले चाहिँ हामीले क्लियर इमेज पाउँछ ओशन फ्लोरको र त्यसको माध्यमद्वारा हामीले म्यापहरू बनाउन सक्छौं. र अहिले चाहिँ हामीलाई ओसन फ्लोरको एकदम क्लियर नलेज छ र के देखा पर्छ भन्दाखेरि ओसन फ्लोरको रिलिफ फिचर्स पनि इट इज अलमोस्ट सिमिलर टु ल्यान्ड सर्फेस रिलिफ फिचर.
As said earlier, the topography of the ocean floor or the submarine relief is quite similar to the relief features of the land surface. The curve or the diagram which shows the relief features of the ocean floor is called hypsographic curve or hypsometric curve. The topography of the ocean floor are divided into number 1 continental shelf, number 2 continental slope, number 3 abyssal plain and plateaus, number 4 oceanic ridges, and number 5 ocean dips. Number 1 continental shelf. It is a gently sloping underwater submerged platform around a continent from shoreline to continental slope with a depth of 180 meters and an average width of 67 kilometers. As this zone is gently sloped, it stores large amount of sand and gravel. So, about 20% of the world's production of mineral oil and natural gas comes from this area. Number 2, continental slope. It is a steep slope ocean floor descending from the continental shelf to the deep ocean. The average slope of continental slope is about 4 degrees and its depth ranges from 180 to 2000 meters. The place where the depth of the slope descends up to about 4000 meters, it is called continental apron, and the width of this apron ranges from 0 meter to 600 kilometer, and it finally merges to the abyssal plain. Number 3, abyssal plains and plateaus. It is the broad undulating plains lying on the sea bottom beyond the continental slope. It is also known as deep sea plain. Some raised platforms are seen in this plain. They are known as abyssal plateaus. It has features like ridges, gears, sea mounds, islands, and volcanoes. Number 4, oceanic ridges. It is a long and narrow ranges rising above the sea floor. Number 5, ocean dips. It is a long, narrow and very steep-sided depression on the sea bottom. There are about 57 dips in the world and it covers only 2% of the ocean floor. It has depths of more than 6,500 meters. The Mariana Trench or the Challenger Deep in the Pacific Ocean with a depth of 10,850 meters is the deepest oceanic deep in the world.